Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Sarah.
I'm Matt.
On this Saturday's Liqueur series, we're exploring Creme de Cacao.
Is that all you got?
That's all I got.
You didn't remember the name, did you?
It's Hermione Walker's, but
Okay.
It doesn't matter.
it doesn't matter. It's Creme de Cacao. They're all the same, aren't they?
No, one's white and one's dark.
Oh, okay.
Well, there's different brands. I mean,
Yeah, there's different brands, I guess.
All right. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Matt, why don't you tell us a little bit about this liqueur?
All right. The beautiful Hermione Walker Creme de Cacao. Clearly the white or clear version, as this clearly looks like clear. They call it the white version. All right. So Creme de Cacao started back in the 1600s by monks. It's funny part is they brought these back from America to Europe to make this. This is made of Brazilian and Venezuelan cacao, and is going to have a milk chocolate and vanilla flavor to it. So let's see what we think of this.
You know what I've learned doing this liqueur series?
What is that?
Monks make a lot of liquor.
Yes, they do.
We can thank monks for alcohol in general.
In general.
Yeah.
Seriously, without them and their beautiful medicinal qualities, we would not have the beautiful industry we have today.
Seriously.
If you really kind of want to get technical about it, we can kind of thank alcohol for saving humanity.
Yeah.
I would agree that's true.
Without beer and wine, most of the water that people drank throughout time was bad.
Yeah, it would kill you.
Things that would kill you. And putting a little bit of alcohol in it killed those bacteria that would kill the person.
Okay, we've gotten off topic.
Sorry.
It is a correct choice.
Wow, that's sweet.
It smells like opening a can of Hershey's cocoa powder.
Totally. That is exactly what it smells like. Yeah, the Nesquik powder.
The stuff you dropped in the kitchen the other day?
Yes.
It's totally that powder, like completely.
Yep. And then vanilla
slight
extract.
vanilla extract.
Yep.
And it's not real vanilla.
No, it's that fake artificial vanilla.
Yes.
That's totally what it smells like.
Yep.
Yeah. Used a lot, of course, in things like the Brandy Alexander, the chocolate martini, grasshoppers, things like that. Things Will would hate. Also,
This smell like I don't understand how people would want to drink this.
This would go really great with a mint liqueur.
yes, which is what it does, called grasshoppers.
Grasshoppers.
Yeah.
Delicious. I love them.
Yeah.
This smells so sweet.
I could tell Will, don't worry, we can go back and all of them make cocktails someday. He will love that so much.
I will probably enjoy it more than the straight liqueur.
That's probably true, because some of these you should not drink straight.
No. Like this deserves to be in a cocktail or even a milkshake and throw a couple Andes mints in there. Don't even like specifically Andes mints, not just mint liqueur. Andes mints.
Yeah.
My gosh, seriously, this is like Nesquik powder with a little bit of like this.
I'm just stalling so hard because I don't want to fucking sip this damn thing.
All right,
I agree. Good Andes mints would be delicious in this.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how much am I gonna hate it?
10.
Alcoholic yoo-hoo.
Totally, you are right. That's exactly.
Oh wow.
Alcoholic yoo-hoo.
So you.
Oh, so what I did find out that cream, when they say the word cream, it's
creme.
really a French word that means added sugar, high sugar content is what it means actually. And there is no dairy in it. So I knew we would love it. High sugar content.
That's totally alcoholic yoo-hoo.
That is so.
Yeah.
And
then
while it's coating feeling because of the sugar syrupiness of it, it also has that thin taste to it, or thin feeling to it that yoo-hoo has. Because yoo-hoo is not a thick chocolate milk. It's very thin.
Whopping 15%.
Woo!
Okay.
Yeah.
So, woo, 30 proof.
Big numbers.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It is a liter
I
bottle.
roll
I
it.
think I paid like $7 for it in San Angelo.
So for me, it's not too overly sweet for me because I like yoo-hoo, but I like chocolate milk.
It's delicious.
It's delicious and nutritious. Not really nutritious. It's just delicious. It just rhymes.
Pretty much.
But I mean, I guess it depends on which child you ask. But I enjoy the the palate more than the nose.
Yes.
The nose has that powder feel to it, and I don't like, but the palate does not have that powder feel.
So much powder on that nose. It's weird.
William is not impressed.
No.
He's already pulled forward our dump glass that he is going to be drinking when we end this particular video instead of this.
So, yeah, if you like chocolate, you like sugary, you're going to love it. And like I said,
you like
it makes awesome cocktails. I mean, I don't think I want to drink this by itself very often, but great as a mixer. In fact, the new bottles actually say mixers on them. Of course, this bottle's from 2002 or so.
Back when people knew it was a mixer?
Well, most of what I found is most people that buy things like Creme de Cocoa, Creme de Meth, and all that stuff, you buy one bottle. It's good for a lifetime. My grandparents' one is from the 70s. Still has the tax stamp on it. And that was from Long Island. That's how long they've had that bottle, since like early 70s is when they bought theirs. Still have half a bottle because that's all you're going to need. It's a lifetime supply. Buy one bottle.
Yeah, I mean, unless you drink Grasshoppers every single
all the
night.
time. This is a 20-year-old bottle, essentially.
Yeah. Yeah, I think my parents were like that with a bottle of Creme de Mint.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's how they both look. We'll get to those soon. Don't worry, just for Will.
I was finally old enough to get my hands on it and pour it in my ice cream.
There you go. I mean, we have a whole...
Then they're like, where did our bottle
Hermione
go? We've
Walker
had that
coming.
forever.
Don't worry. We have Hermione Walker for weeks. It's going to be fantastic.
I'm sure.
Yay.
Someday I'll actually give you the history of Hermione Walker, but I was waiting for a whiskey for it, but I don't know if I have any. So that's okay. If not, we'll give you one of these random liqueur videos.
That's fair.
All right. If you like Yoo-Hoo, this one's for you. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Don't forget to join us live on Monday nights. Till next time.
Keep on crusading for the liquids in your glass.
Cheers. Yeah, that's totally fucking Yoo-Hoo. Shut the fuck up.
I'm trying to film you to just shut the fuck up. That's what I saw.
Shaking head.
I'm gonna cut all of this out.
Oh my god. You need to shut up.
It's pretty bad when you can read what the hell I'm telling you at this point. That's pretty much verbatim what I said.
It makes me think of whose line is it anyway when they put the words over the
Yeah.